The bleep test with Orion Fisham. The 20-meter multi-stage fitness test is a commonly used maximal running aerobic fitness test. Equipment required of flat non-slip surface marking cones, 20-meter measuring tape, a beep test audio player recording is the procedure. This test involves continuous running between lines 20 meters apart in time to record beeps. The speed starts slow. The subject continues running between two lines, turning when signaled by the recorded beeps. After 1 minute, a sound indicates an increased speed and the beep will be closer together. If the line is not reached before the beep sound, the subject is given a warning and must continue to run onto the line and then turn and try and catch with the pace within two or more beeps. The subject is given a warning for the first time they fail to reach the line within 2 meters and will eliminated after the second warning. Scoring: the athlete score is the level and number of shuttles reached before they were unable to keep with recording. Recording the last level completed not necessary. The level stopped at the number target population. The test is suitable for sport teams and school groups. Advantages: large groups and can perform this test all at once for minimal cost. Also, the test continues to maximum effort, unlike in many other tests for endurance capacity. Disadvantages: practice and motivation levels can influence the score attained, and the scoring can be subjective as the test is often conducted outside and the environmental conditions can affect the test results. So his score was 7.10 meters. Comparing him to the norms, he's at a fair level, which means he should be improving his cardio level. Thanks for watching.